Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. So here I have some spaghetti. Then I have some black pepper, mixed herbs, salt, tomatoes, spinach, and extra virgin olive oil. Take 500 grams of spaghetti, add 2 pints of water to it and let it boil. Cut 400 grams of spinach. And add it to the boiling spaghetti. Cut 3 medium-sized tomatoes. And again, add it to the boiling spaghetti. Drizzle as much olive oil as you would like, no holding back. Now add the mixed herbs, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add crushed black pepper, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Mix everything and let it cook for 12 minutes. So, made with durum wheat, this spaghetti is rich in B vitamins and iron, provides complex carbs, regulates blood sugar, and provides energy. 100 grams of it contains 156 kilocalories, 4.9 grams of protein, and 1.8 grams of fiber. Now let's add the salt as per taste. Bon appetit! If you have liked this video, then please like, share, comment, and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.